Hola mi raza, welcome to my channel guys. Me llamo Andrés Enrique and bienvenidos a mi canal guys. Hola mi raza, so I just realized that it has been almost a month that I haven't posted a new video due to a lot of reasons. This pandemic guys has driven my schedule insane. I've been working, of course, 2 jobs, como les dije. I do work as an admin for the state of Arizona for a developmental disability program, and also I am a youth mentor for a nonprofit organization, guys. So my schedule is like from morning till like 8 at night. You know, sometimes I do home services, which are not fun because, you know, if people understand the healthcare area, then you guys would understand what home services are. Pero el día de hoy, I'm still in my scrubs. I am gonna change porque esta calor de Phoenix, guys, it's ridiculous. So I work all the way in Phoenix. I have to drive all the way to Buckeye because I live in Buckeye. So ya se imaginan el calorón. But guys, I do want to do a DIY for you guys. I am into interior designing. I am into fashion. I love being creative, guys. So there's this wall right here that has been bothering me. So I've been decorating my room for a while. The color orange has become my new favorite color, guys. The aesthetic in my room is completely different. I don't know, I just get random stuff that I create on my own. Like these, I created myself. When it comes to DIYs, I can create anything that my mind, you know, focuses on. For example, fixing my room, interior designing. Like I said, I love interior designing. I do get ideas in my mind that are easy to do. So these canvases that I have back here, I created it myself. The aesthetic in my room is orange, dark blue, gray, dark gray, and some other color. No, that's it. That's all the colors. So I basically went with these colors that I love, and I got this at Michael's. All of this stuff I got at Michael's except the Louis Vuitton and the Chanel logo. Those logos were created by my brother-in-law. So I don't know, he has the patience to get, you know, so I did the backdrop. So what I want to do is do the same design, el mismo diseño, pero quiero usar este diseño para poner algo en esta pared. That wall has been empty since the day that I started designing because I did not know what to put. A lot of people were telling me, put a mirror, put something. I don't know. I wanted to put a painting, but I couldn't find paintings that fit my room. Of course, the aesthetic is different. It's orange. But I have these letters that I bought at Hobby Lobby that I never used because I wanted to use for something, and I don't remember para qué. But I am thinking that I'm going to recreate this splatter design onto. So I am off my uniform, got comfortable. So now we're gonna start this DIY that I've been wanting to do for a while, which are the letters that I have here, and my niece is gonna help me, but she don't want to be on camera. So these are the items that I'm gonna use to create this design. What I'm gonna use are these items, which is really basic things that I got from Michael's. They were really cheap. So the items that are gonna need is spray paint, of course, letters. I got these from Michael's for $2.99, Michael's for $1.89, and actually I got this at Michael's too for $4.99, which wasn't that bad. Michael's. Everything's from Michael's. So this is what I'm gonna use to recreate this. So this is how it looked.
Honestly, wanna know something that I hate?
What?
Is that somehow my friends found your YouTube channel.
That's my secret. Wait.
Get it, princess. Oh, who's
Look how nice that looks. Look how
nope.
I did it.
Ma parte la madre.
Yeah,
Never mind.
Look.
So we're just gonna let this shit dry. We are almost done. Get it, sister. Look at this shit. Damn, it's hot out here, so we thirsty.
Alright, now get back to the...
If you guys need your windows tint, hit up my brother-in-law. Hit him up. Any trucks, diesel trucks, assistant. You're just wasting all the paint now.
No, on the sides. Guys.
So now the fun part, which is
Getting your hands dirty.
what Maya wants to do is she's annoying the out of me.
What?
But we're gonna start splattering the
I'm
paint.
leaving.
Bye. The paint on the letters to do the aesthetic of what I did on my canvases.
Whatever he's doing.
So, which is blue and
Orange.
orange. Thank you, Maya, for your assistance. Here. Maya, you better not mess this up because it's got, you better stay in that square, Maya, because your mom is not.
But Dad already...
That's your, no. Oh well. Go. Hold on. Because you have to move.
There?
Maya, check in that corner too, the L right there. Please. Go.
Because some of it's spreading like... Jesus Christ.
Goddamn. So now, what we're doing is the waiting game, of course. We have to wait till they dry.
You did not gonna put that.
Yep. Just here helping my brother-in-law. Not do shit. Till my...
One was $70 and I didn't get it, so I figured right now getting it for $70 because right now it's $180. Huh, babe?
So my sister's here having a conversation about her freaking collection of her Starbucks cup. She spent $130 on just one Starbucks cup that she could not find at no Starbucks location. What type of will spend $130 on a Starbucks cup? Her. So here's my niece doing her arts. Let's see. What is you making?
The House of Up.
Bueno, mi raza, ya acabamos el proyecto de hoy, que era el DIY that I actually created today, and I like how it came out, to be honest with you guys. The aesthetic on the room looks how I pictured it. I was thinking of putting those letters on that wall that I was telling you guys, but actually where the letters are at now and the finished touches, I like how it looks. I place it underneath my TV because I like the aesthetic that shows, especially with my whole jewelry section and my whole wallet section and glasses section. So I really like how it came out, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. Bueno, mi raza, pues aquí me despido, guys. Cause actually, guys, the time right now, it's 11:51. I did not know that this DIY was gonna take me this long. But the only reason why I feel that it took me a while is because it needed to dry, and I was really anxious. Like, estaba bien ansioso that I wanted to have it hanging because I just don't like it when it's not finished. But espero que les guste el video de hoy. Guys, like I always tell you guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell button, that way you guys can be informed whenever I upload new videos. And also, guys, you guys can follow me on Instagram at Andres A. Bailon, and also on Facebook at Andres A. Bailon, and also on Snapchat at KIKE1990, Kike 1990. Y mi raza, como siempre, espero que les gustó el video de hoy. And guys, follow me on my journey. Bye, mi raza.